Hey Leos, welcome to my channel. Revolution. Welcome Leo, I'm so happy to see you here. So today I'm going to be doing a reading for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node, and this is a prediction for June 2021. Alright, so let's dive into it, my loves. So the first card on the left side of your screen, as you can see, is Pioneer in reverse, okay? So how people are seeing you in the month of June, Leo, is that there could be some tendencies to move on from a situation, right? There is this compulsive need to move on. Maybe you're talking to your friends about how you want to move on from this person, move on from this situation. Like you're not able to come up with any creative aspect within this relationship that can be nourished anymore. You know, you're out of ideas as to how you can maintain this relationship with this person specifically, you know. But this could also be you struggling with new ideas, Leo. So I would suggest, you know, whatever it is that you want to do, like try looking up some videos, try researching some stuff, okay? That will definitely help you in your creativity, right? And as you can see the library card also, I feel like, you know, some form of research or studying and acquiring knowledge about that specific subject will definitely help you gain confidence and get some creative ideas for whatever it is that you're pursuing, okay? Because you guys are actually pioneer upright, right? You guys are people who have the passion for doing and creating what has never been done before, or which has not been done before, right, Leo? So you guys have that courage, that will and that determination to bring about things that have not been witnessed by the public before, okay? So with this card in reverse, I'm feeling like, you know, there could be a lack of confidence, okay? I suggest that you get a crystal which will help you with your solar plexus. This could be citrine, okay? So get a citrine in the month of June. This will definitely help you, my loves. Right, so the second card for you guys as how people are seeing you is poet, okay? So people are seeing you as being a poet or very, very good with your words, okay? It's like they see you express soul insights in symbolic language, okay? So it's like you might be in the entertainment industry, maybe you're a lyricist or you're a rapper, okay? But you're very good with your words. You are very, very talented when it comes to your words, and maybe you write spiritual rap also is what I'm getting, or you are planning to start that but you don't have the confidence to do that, okay? So yeah, lots of downloads here for you guys. So yeah, people are definitely seeing you in this energy of being very, very creative with your words, okay? So that will be very, very beneficial for you in the month of June. In case you're doing something on those lines, that project will be a massive success for you, okay? So how let's get to the other person in the end, okay? Like later on. First, let's clarify these. So with these cards in the middle, you can see the doubt in reverse, success and friendship in reverse, right, Leo? So what I was feeling, you know, what I am feeling, what I'm getting from this energy is that you're finally realizing what you're capable of in the month of June. There's like this divine confidence within you to know your self-worth, to know your sense of self, and you know, you are finally releasing the need to know all the answers to a specific situation, a specific doubt that you have in your mind. You're releasing the need to control everything within your surroundings, okay? Especially when it comes to your success, I feel like you are finally trusting that, you know, you sometimes have to go within this journey. You have to walk the path alone to your success, to your stardom, to your fame, or whatever it is that you want to accomplish in life, you know. There is a certain sense of loneliness that comes with that, because not many friends will agree with how you want to be successful in life, because they might feel inferior to you, you know, and sometimes they might think that you are the one who's being very, very prideful, or that is how you can lose friends because of your shine, Leo, because of success that people can smell off of you. It's like people can smell success from you, right? People can smell success off of you in the month of June. So I feel like there will be some friends that will, go against that, or not wanting to reason with you regarding your way of going about things, or your way towards your success, right? There could be some loss in friendship or things like that, but you are finally recognizing your self-worth. So this is not affecting you, because you're realizing that because of these friends you were getting trapped in this situation where you could not express yourself fully. And now you're getting this download that not everyone deserves your energy, Leo. Not everyone deserves you to be the spotlight and trying to entertain everyone, trying to keep everyone happy. And you don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to pull the weight of the whole group anymore, keeping them happy, keeping them joyful. That is you, Leo. You bring the sunshine within the room, right? So I feel like you're realizing the power of the sun within you, okay? And you're finally shining forth, and you're burning the impurities away, is also what I'm getting, because sun is also terrifying, right? When it comes to being completely made up of hydrogen, right? So I feel like there's this terrifying side of you, but you accept that part of you, okay? This is what I call shadow work, Leo. When you have been alone for a very long time and you realize that you have to you have to go forth with things that resonate with you on a soul level, and that is when you will be able to achieve the success that you want in your relationships, in your friendships, and everything it is. You have to be your raw self, right? So you're realizing that, and I see that in the month of June there is someone who is sort of passing a negative judgment onto you, okay? With the monk and nun in reverse, there's this shadow attribute of this person, where this person places some form of negative judgment onto you or onto the physical world. It's like they feel everything is getting destroyed, and they have this negative and pessimistic mindset that was dragging you down, right, Leo? So you have realized that, and I feel like you have realized that this person is excessive when it comes to their pessimism, and you want to get out of that now. You don't want to be in a relationship with this person, with this friend group, with this job, whatever it is that was pulling you down, pulling your artistic and creative abilities down, right? So yeah, in the month of June, I'm seeing you wake up from that dream and pursue what it is that you are so fond of, and something that people have never seen before, but you're going to bring it into the world through your words, through your poems, or I don't know, whatever it is. The gift of words is what you're getting in the month of June, okay, my loves? So yes, I see a new love offer come towards you. You are regal, you are practical, you are emanating this energy of self-love, Leo, like no other. I see you being very, very strong and in your throne, okay? I see you be in your own power. I definitely see that you are looking for that 10 of cups, okay? That energy of wish fulfillment, that energy of wanting to have that specific someone who could match your vibration and your level of independence and freedom to let other person be the way you like you don't place any boundaries on another person to express themselves. You just accept people the way they are, and you want that same kind of energy to be around you, okay? And you're realizing this. So I feel like times are changing. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and there's definitely someone who is fated to come towards you. This is a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn specifically. This could be a Pisces also, a Cancer also, right? But this is this energy is coming towards you. You could also be Virgo, Leo cusp, yeah. So I'm getting that, but definitely I'm seeing the times move into your favor, and it's important that you realize that you don't have to be afraid to sing anymore. You don't have to be afraid to put your creative aspects out there, especially when it comes to doing it in front of this person. Maybe in the past, the person that you were with, they kind of had this competition with you, that if you are doing well, then they felt like they wanted to dull your shine, or they wanted to take away your shine, basically, right? So yeah, that situation is definitely coming to an end, where you had to be defensive and you had to constantly study this person, and this person was very, very immature, and this person was very defensive about what it is that you did in your life, maybe regarding your career, your studies, whatever it is that you're planning to do. This person tried to like tear you down when it comes to your creativity. But let me tell you, Leo, that you are standing up strong here and you're realizing your worth, because I see the star card here. Now this could be an Aquarius that you're dealing with, or this is the opposite polarity that is helping you. The Aquarian placements in the space right now is helping you with recognizing that you have that true inspiration within you, and there's this person who is definitely coming into your life to make you realize that you are an inspiration, you are a healer, you are a transformer of people. Okay, you bring joy in people's lives, and this person will make you realize that, right? And anyone that had to go from your life, this person will make you realize that it was for the betterment of you, right? This is like you doing the shadow work, you being by yourself, you being in that dark night of the soul, and recognizing the truth of what it is that you want. And you want to feel like home with someone else, you want that balance. Okay, the way you provide balance to your partner, you want that same balance reciprocated back to you. And until you get that, there's no success for you, and you are recognizing that, which is what is giving you the power to detach from friends that are no longer serving you and take a leap of faith towards this new person who's coming towards you, right? This could be a person that is coming back from your past, but honestly I'm not feeling that. If you are in a marriage, I'm definitely seeing you talk to someone else who really finally wants to reveal their feelings towards you and tell you how much of a wish fulfillment you are in their life, because you provide that strength when they can find none within themselves, right? This person could also be extremely popular, or this is you could have more than 100k subscribers on YouTube or any given social platform, or this is what is coming towards you in June, where through your creativity you will be able to meet someone who is on your level, Leo, who is matching the level of maturity that you have within you. Okay, you're attracting exactly that. And if there is something that you're disturbed about in the month of June, this could be because there is some healing that has to be done in order for you to finally let go of that poverty consciousness, that sense of feeling lack within yourself, in order to build that confidence back up. Okay, you need to understand your own core truth. This is when you will be able to come into an interdependent relationship with another person, right, Leo? So that's what you're realizing, and you're taking this leap of faith, right? I'm seeing an Aries here as well. I'm seeing Aquarius, Aries strong, right? And I'm seeing Sagittarius also. But this is 22 with the library card. This is a master number. It says take control of your own narrative, and this is exactly what you're doing, Leo. Whoever it is that feels that you will not be successful without them, that you owe your success to them, and that they were the one who taught you things, and you are finally taking reins in your own hand, in case it was in someone else's hands until now. And you are going to be researching, you're going to be studying, you're taking control of your own life here. You're not letting anyone else take the driver's seat of your own life. And this is when you're attracting this beautiful, abundant opposite sex. Okay, this could also be the same sex. Gender doesn't matter in the cards, guys. It's just the energy that I feel here. And I feel like, don't be afraid to sing, right? Don't be afraid to be out there in the space. This is the opposite polarity of Aquarius. Learn to accept that part of yourself, that eccentric part of yourself that wants to help the group consciousness expand. Don't shy away from that, because right now Aquarian energy is helping you with that, especially when it comes to music and studies of astrology, space, meteorology. That's also one form of study, is what I'm getting. But this is also chemistry. Okay, I'm getting a lot of downloads here, or studies about Atlantis, Lemuria, things like that. Okay, a lot of downloads coming in for you. Saturn is blessing you here. Okay, especially with friends and soul tribe that match your vibe, right? Because of the healing work and the dark night of the soul that you've been through, and the shadow work that you will have to go through to fulfill these contracts, these soul contracts, right? So beautiful. You're coming into a very, very serene month, but also a creatively packed month for you, my loves. You're also going to be very, very busy with ideas, right? And you will meet this famous person who, through your creativity, will be very, very attracted towards you, towards your stability, because they themselves are stable and affirmed within their goals, and they are very confident, is what I'm getting. They know the value of their money, is also what I'm getting. Whoever it is that's coming in your life right now, right? Beautiful. This is beautiful, Leo. So let me read the advice card for you, which is come to the edge. Of course, with the come to the edge card, you can see the same leap that the Fool card is taking and the Star card is taking. It's like you are finally going to shine, Leo, the way you're meant to shine. You know, this was destined for you the day you were born, that you are going to shine no matter who tries to put you down, be jealous of you, be envious of your creativity, right? Of you being the pioneer. If someone is jealous of that, well, they have to deal with it because it's their loss, right? Beautiful, Leo. What a powerful transmission. Beautiful. So let me read the advice for you. Let's see. 36, which equals to 9, which is all about going within, finding the truth within yourself, and not taking the answers from anyone else but yourself, your own core, okay? Asking questions to your own core rather than relying on other people. Beautiful. So 36, one second, yes. Come to the edge, Leo. Yes, in the month of June, you are to come to the edge. This means courage. Yes, that is what Leo rules, courage. Taking a leap of faith, overcoming fear and accepting risk. This is what you're destined to do in your life, Leo. Facing the unknown is the only choice you really have right now if you want progress. It's okay to be afraid. Now is the time to take a risk that is not calculated, to feel the exhilaration as you ready yourself for a leap of faith. Spirit is present, so let go of fear. You are called to express your true self. Listen to your heart and soul, not your head. Come to the edge and discover that you can fly. You must step into the unfamiliar so that you may find your miracles, right? It's time for the lion to grow their wings. Wow. Oh my God. I'm going to put this in the title of this video. So yes, the relationship message for you, my loves, is it's scary to be truly intimate with someone, to allow him or her to see all of you, especially the parts that you have kept hidden and protected. I was telling you guys that there's this side of you that wants to be out, you know, the raw self, right? So yes, this says you keep that part hidden and protected. Now is the time to take that risk and let yourself be seen, truly seen. It's important that you speak up, voice what you need, and state who you are. Say what you hope for. This is not the time to play it safe, but to take a leap of faith. You will be glad you did. If you're seeking a relationship, the same applies. Take one step toward the gods and they will deliver what you truly desire. And this is the gods within yourself. Right, Leo? Within yourself. This is what you're realizing. You are God. You are God. You are a human that is in the evolution to reach the state of God. Okay? So you are realizing that. And prosperity message. If ever there was a time for you to take a leap of faith into the unknown, it is now. This is the perfect moment to take a big risk. The unknown is the only choice now. And if you come to the edge, you will discover treasure beyond your wildest dreams. Leo, I'm not even kidding you. I was telling you about the songs, the tunes, whatever it is that you're working on or you have worked on, it's lying there. Use it. Make use of that talent and that quality and take that risk, okay? And allow your courage to lead you in spite of your fears. You don't need to know the exact form of what you are going for. The essence is much more powerful, and Spirit has a way of delivering an even better version of prosperity than you could imagine. Take that step. The results will be amazing. Yes, Leo, of course they will be amazing. I mean, this is such a power-packed reading. My voice is doing that funny thing when I channel, you know, and I'm like channeling you guys' energy. But yeah, you are coming in strong. You are coming in heavy. I feel like anything that was troubling you, you are finally overcoming these obstacles in order to meet your destined match. And this is only because you have gone within and done the work to realize who you really are. Right, Leo? So this is a powerful transmission for the month of June. I hope you guys have a beautiful month. And please let me know in the comments down below if you resonated with this energy, this reading, and yeah, that would be really helpful for my channel to grow. And in case you want a private reading with me, you can go down in the description box below and you can definitely book a reading with me there. Please do like, share and subscribe, and that will be really helpful for me to channel your energy in the future, right? So thank you so much, and I love you all. Peace.